Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out Family Dollar. We've got new coupons, we have a new freebie, plus I've got a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios to share with y'all at the end. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed in the pinned comment down below. And also, if you missed out on last week's Family Dollar video, make sure that you go and check that one out as well, because we do have a lot of coupon matchups and a lot of deals that are still good for this week. So I'll have that video linked for you in the pinned comment as well. And then I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to these amazing Craz-E couponers for being the first 3 people to comment on my last video. So huge shout out and thank you to Janet, Stacy, and BIGD Gaming. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. And just to kind of give you guys a little heads up, I am seeing some repeat Craz-E couponers that are popping up, being the first ones down in the comments section. So I'm thinking I might do some sort of giveaway to kind of, just give back to those people who are here and supporting me, who have their notifications turned on, who click on the videos and leave a comment before they're even 30 seconds into the video. I really do appreciate it, and all of those things really do help me out. So I definitely want to do something to give back to you guys, to show you all how much I appreciate you. And once I figure out all the details, I will let you all know. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into these deals. First up, we have a sale on the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They're on sale this week, 2 for $3. We also have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. They're on sale 3 for $12. And then we also have a sale on the Dr. Pepper 6-packs. They're on sale 3 for $10. Alright, next up, we have Pringles on sale this week, 3 for $6. And we do have a 1-off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5 for 3. Next up, we did receive this digital coupon for when you buy 4 cans of the Chef Boyardee, you're going to pay $5. We also received a new 25 cents off one for the Bullseye Barbecue Sauce. Those are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Next up, we've got a 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Gain Flings 42 count. These are priced at $12.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Downy and Gain scent beads. These are priced at $12.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. All right, next up, we've got a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Gain laundry products. So these are priced at $7.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.45. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Tide laundry products. These are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Then we also received a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Downy and Bounce fabric care. So if you want to pick up the liquid Downy fabric softener, those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. If you want to pick up the Downy scent beads, these are priced at $8.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.65. Or if you want to pick up the 180 count Bounce dryer sheets, these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Downy fabric care products. So if you want to pick up the liquid Downy fabric softener, these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And we also received a new 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Drift laundry detergent. These are priced at $10.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75. Next up, we have a 75 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Clorox products. So if you want to pick up the toilet bowl cleaners, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Then we also received a new 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Finish products. So if you want to pick up the Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets, 14 count, those are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. But then this still gets even better, because we do have that 75 cent rebate back on Ibotta right now for the Finish Power dishwasher tablets. So that's going to make your final price just 90 cents. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Bayer Aspirin, Midol, and Aleve products. So if you want to pick up the 32 count Bayer Aspirins, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. And we also received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon for the U by Kotex products. So these start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove Men Plus Care products. So if you want to pick up the 3 count bar soap, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. And we also received a new 3 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl face products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl powder, those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Vaseline products. So if you want to pick up the petroleum jelly, those are priced at $4.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. All right, next up, we have a little glitch deal here with this 5 off 3 digital coupon on the Colgate products. So if you want to pick up the Colgate baking soda toothpaste, these are priced at $2.25. Pick up a total of 3, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75 for all 3. And then we also received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Colgate Max Fresh Advanced Whitening toothpaste, these are on clearance right now for $1. $1.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, next up, here is our freebie for this week. We have a new 2-off-1 digital coupon on the Icy Hot products. So what you want to be on the lookout for is the Icy Hot Maximum Strength Lidocaine Cream, 1.75 ounces. These are on a price drop at $2. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and throw in this digital coupon right here. It is $5 off when you purchase $20 or more of the men's, ladies, or kids pro player apparel. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to say, but I just want you guys to keep this coupon in mind because, like I told you all last week, the clearance at Family Dollar is absolutely crazy right now. There are tons and tons and tons of amazing deals. People are finding really amazing deals right now at Family Dollar on everything from clothing to electronics to everyday household items. I mean, the clearance is just absolutely crazy. I even had one awesome crazy couponer. She left a comment on the last video or the video before that, and she said that she went into her Family Dollar and found a bunch of Easter items, and they all rang up for just 1 penny. Now, they couldn't sell it all to her for just 1 penny each, but she made a little deal with the cashier and it turned out great. So y'all definitely make sure that you stop by your Family Dollar, go in there and scan. Now, I ran out to my local Family Dollar last week to check everything out. Unfortunately for me, this Family Dollar is in a complete dead zone. Like, there is zero cell service. It doesn't matter what kind of phone you have. You've got Verizon, AT&T, whatever it may be, nothing picks up at that spot. And the Family Dollar does not offer free Wi-Fi to their customers. So it makes it really, really hard to price check items and, do the thing. So unfortunately, I didn't find any great deals at my Family Dollar last week, but a big part of that was because I just couldn't scan and I didn't want to take 100 items up to the register to have them price check it. But the good news is that they are building a new Family Dollar Dollar Tree combo store right up the road for me, and I will get cell service where this one is located at. So if anybody has one of those combo stores in your area, please let me know down in the comment section below and kind of give me some details. Is the couponing any different? Did the sales line up? Is it basically just the same as a regular Family Dollar store? Or are there some big differences that I need to know about? All right, now that we've talked about the new coupons and all the clearance, let's talk about some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. So for this first one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.45, one of the Finish 14-count dishwasher tablets at $3.65, one of the Colgate Max White toothpaste at $1.50, one of the Icy Hot creams at $2, one of the Bayer aspirin 32-count at $3.25, one of the Schick disposable razors at $6.50, and one of the Dove bar soaps for $1.25. And that's going to put your subtotal at $25.60. All right, and here's your list of coupons. You're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Finish dishwasher tablets, the 1 off 1 Colgate, the 2 off 1 Icy Hot, the 1 off 1 aspirin, the 4 off 1 Schick razors, the 150 off 1 Dove product, and that's going to take off $1.25. And after coupons, that's going to put your subtotal at $7.35 for 7 items. But then you're going to send me a receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the Finish Power dishwasher tablets, and that's going to make your final price $6.60 for 7 items, making each one just 94 cents each. All right, now for our second scenario, I tried to put together a little food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They're on sale, 2 for $3. 3 boxes of the Kelloggs cereals. They're priced at $3.75 each. 2 of the Bullseye barbecue sauce at $1.25 each. 3 of the Pringles. They're on sale, 3 for $6. 1 of the Icy Hot creams at $2, and 1 of the Dove 1-count bar soaps for $1.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $26. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the buy 2, get 1 free Kelloggs cereal digital coupon, 2 of the 25-cent off 1 Bullseye barbecue sauce digital coupons, the 1 off 3 Pringles, the 2 off 1 Icy Hot, and the 150 off 1 Dove. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $12.50 for all 12 items, making each one just $1.04 each. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you could, please do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up. Leave a smile down in the comment section below. And share the video, even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email. All those things really do help your girl out in a huge way. And I also want to wish each and every one of you good luck with your couponing and clearance shopping this weekend. I hope y'all get some amazing deals. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.